everyone. In this episode of HubFuel, we'll be showing you how to connect the HubSpot for Sales add-on to Outlook. The easiest way to do this is by going to Settings, located in the top right-hand side, and then under the General Settings, you'll notice a tab for Email. If you haven't done so already, it's advised that you sync your personalized mailbox to HubSpot. The easiest way to do this is by connecting this button here. Now in this video, we'll be going through Office 365, so Outlook specifically, but you can choose your email provider from this menu. Now you'll notice there is a tick box to turn on inbox automation. So what this does is it allows HubSpot to process the data in the email bodies. So that's including the signatures and the metadata. So the advantages of doing so is it will automatically capture contacts in the CRM for you from your mailbox. So it will capture information such as the first and last name, as well as telephone number. And it will also recommend tasks based on the email content. So if you've messaged somebody stating that you'd want to follow up with some activity, HubSpot will flag this with a recommended task. So based on your options, you can turn it on and then just connect your inbox. Now, based on your satisfaction with the terms and conditions, select Continue. And then you'll just need to log into your mailbox for authentication. Now, upon signing in, HubSpot will automatically sync a connection with your mailbox to HubSpot, and it will send a test email, and then it will verify once the account has been connected. Now at this point, you can select the Outlook extension. However, if you already have the mailbox synced on your HubSpot environment, you'll notice it listed here. So there's no option is actually turned blue compared to orange. Now you can install the add-on from here, and then we want the Outlook desktop extension. So we simply select download. Now you just need to run the execution file. Now you're presented with the option on whether you want to have browser notifications from Chrome or the native desktop from Windows notifications. Since we're using the Outlook desktop application, we'll use the native notifications in this instance. Now it's just going to run two execution files for us that you just need to authenticate. So the first one's just being the Outlook extension, and it will notify us once the install has been completed. So you notice here, the installation was successful. And lastly, to complete the process, it's just going to install the desktop notifications for us. It is required that you need to ensure that Outlook isn't running in the background to run these installations. So just ensure you're completely signed out. Now you're asked here to sign in to authenticate the desktop application, which will then give you notifications. And once that's complete, we can open Outlook just to capture the code. You'll receive a prompt. And now this is also just to apply the sales add-on tool. So what we need to do is just log in. Now upon successful synchronization, you'll notice a message. And then there's also articles to some of the actual tools available within the sales add-on. Now just to give you an example, if we go to open up an email, you'll be prompted. And then you'll notice upon here on the ribbon, there's the option here to start utilizing some of the tools. Or alternatively, you can have a pane view. So if we now search for a contact within our database, you'll notice it'll bring up information relating to that contact, as well as customized properties we've added within HubSpot. And alternatively, if we add a brand new contact, it'll give us the option to add this contact and any information currently held within the HubSpot insights. Additionally, if we open the side panel tools, upon logging in, you'll then be presented with some of the actual tools within HubSpot to utilize within your emails. Option for templates, sequences, documents, as well as scheduled meetings and any already created snippets, as well as the information held on that contact below. We hope you found this video of use. Thank you for your time.